Okay, y'all, I finally got my hands on one of those dumpling squishy things, so we should open it together. I'm actually kind of scared. Okay, so on the thing, wait, hold on, let me read this. Okay, wait, I kind of want the blue one, or the pink one, or the yellow. I don't know. And of course, they want the glitter. Okay, I'm gonna actually let you guys see first. Ready? 3, oh my gosh, I'm so scared. 3, 2, 1. What did I get? Oh my gosh. I want to. I got the glitter. I thought it would be like that thick texture, but it's water. I mean, it's still glitter. Oh my gosh, wait. I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. She's my baby. I have to display her. I'm gonna put her on like my windowsill, like this, in her little jar, but like I'm gonna actually I'm gonna put the lid on so no one steals her, because my brother was trying to pop her. My brother's gonna pop her, I meant. Look at it. Are they supposed to smell like paint? Never mind, I don't smell it anymore. Yeah, I don't smell it anymore.